I spent one night in Cherokee National Forest in Tennessee. I pulled out this morning, headed into North Carolina. Came into the town of Mars Hills where the ranger station is and picked up a motor vehicle use map. Now I'm on FR 74. Supposed to be about 9 dispersed campsites up here. So I'm in here looking for them, checking them out. A nice little waterfall here. Alright, so I got a spot here. Up there where those rocks are, if you can see them, that's the road. I pulled down in here. Nice big fire ring. Not that it matters, there's a fire ban, so there won't be any fires. And that's how the site looks. Tucked away pretty nice. And it's a little cloudy right now, but the sun's right up here. And it's filtering through and hitting the panels, giving me some sun. So I may be able to get a full charge tomorrow. We'll see. So we'll give this at least one night, see how it goes, and probably two. And then move closer to Mount Mitchell and get a little hiking in, right? Right, Jessie? And get some hiking in. She's not paying attention to me. She's sniffing. Alright, I'm all settled in at the campsite, got the van leveled off, time to eat. Didn't have much for lunch, just a couple of pieces of fruit and some cashews. So I cooked up some Italian sausage and gonna have that mixed in with some stuff we got cooking outside. Okay, out here, got some rice cooking up, that's just about done. Got some black beans, some corn. Got some little onions chopped up in there, some chili powder, chili peppers. What else? Black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes. So I'm boiling it down a little bit, reduce it some, and then put that on a bed of rice with some sausage on top and chow down. Yeah, and here's the final product all together. You got some nice chunks of sausage in there, all the other good stuff mixed in on a bed of rice. Some good juice. Gonna chow down on that and let Jessie lick her chops and watch me. Alright, got a 5-mile hike planned for today up to a waterfall. So I'm gonna head out on that. Looking like a nice day. Sun came over the ridge. And ready to go. So let's get moving. Alright, so there's camp down there. Up here on the road. Gonna head up the road, find the trailhead, and get to hiking. Alright, up about, I'd say about 4,600 feet of elevation. You can see the ridge on the other side of the gap is pretty void of leaves right now. So at this higher elevation, foliage has come and gone, the leaves are pretty much down. Back this way where I came from, a few hundred feet lower, some of the trees are still yellow, still hanging on. So any further colors are going to be at lower elevations. Alright, let's hike on. Alright, it's about a half mile up this trail. We'll hit Douglas Falls. That's the end of the journey for today. We'll check it out. A couple of people on the trail, so Jessie had to be tethered for a while. Here she comes. Full speed up the hill. Come on, Jessie. Caught the scent of something. Went running. Alright, here we are, Douglas Falls. Just a trickle. Dry summer, and now it's November. "70-foot waterfall," according to the description. That is one sport I am never going to try. And the comedians say there's two classes of rock climber, Grand Champion and Splat on a Rock. Alright, that was Douglas Falls off of FR 74 in the Pisgah National Forest. I'm hiking my way back out right now. Jesse's having a ball chasing chipmunks and squirrels. What you got going on here, huh? What you got going on here? Look at this guy. Got a bad wing there, huh? Got a broken wing? Huh? Having trouble? Having trouble? There he goes. Guess the wing's good. Sniff him out. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, Jess. Jesse, let's go.